constituency and we are right now in Salem. And look where we are. That's right, we have found Modi Idli. You must have heard the Prime Minister talk about Modi Idli in his interview to Thandi TV as well. So we are right here at the location and let us go and see what all is happening inside this facility. So here we have entered the Modi Idli facility and we have with us Mr. Mahesh who runs this. Welcome to New India Junction.
Thank you.
First of all, a great venture that we came to know of. Can you tell us how all did it start? Tell us a little bit and then all about this facility.
Yeah. Thank you for coming. This facility we started just after COVID. So people were suffering and there was lockdown and other things. During COVID time, we were serving close to 8,000 to 9,000 people every day. Free prasadam was distributed. After lockdown was open, many people told us we are yet to get our income back and so kindly help us something. So I set up this unit. Instead of giving free, we thought of helping people with a very nominal amount. We charged 10 rupees and we gave them 4 idlis with sambar.
Wow, that's wonderful.
So now one chai costs 15 rupees, 20 rupees here. So in 10 rupees, the intention is to help the poor with dignity. Anything given free, people hesitate. Even middle class people, they hesitate. During COVID, the most affected segment was the middle class. They couldn't come out and ask for, and they cannot take anything free, nor can they afford a very expensive meal or something like that. So we started this immediately on the aftermath of COVID.
So I would want to ask you, COVID period was quite taxing on everybody across segments. What was the response of the people like once they got this 10 rupee idli to have, fill their stomachs with? How did the Modi Idli name travel?
See, I'm a big fan of Modi ji. He's my hero. And I just wanted to take Modi ji's name to every house, every day. So that was the idea behind this. So we started, the idea is my hero's name, Modi ji's name should reach every house in this Dravidian heartland. So I wanted to convert Salem into a Sanatani heartland. That is the idea behind this. So we started this Modi Idli. We wanted to become a household name. So this was the idea behind it.
And did you hear people or children mentioning Modi Idli, we want to eat Modi Idli?
Yes, of course. The thing is, we started, it's a unique distribution network we started. We started in 24 locations across Salem. We had 2 jeeps. The idea was not to cater to the walk-in crowd. It is to cater to the residential areas. Early in the morning, preparing breakfast, it's a tasking thing for ladies and mothers. And it is expensive also. So I wanted to do something which is cheaper than cooking at home. That's why we started this state-of-the-art facility. And here we can cook 7,000 idlis in an hour.
Oh, that's a huge scale actually.
This is 7,000 idlis. Yeah. You see this one box. This is the idli plate. You have 20 idlis. You can see.
It's quite heavy, I think.
And you see in this we have got 60 idlis. One tray has got 20 idlis. So one small box has 60 idlis. So one entire unit has got 300 idlis.
So what you have is 900 idlis in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. 900 idlis. This is a steamer and we have got a RO unit there. The water for the steamer comes from a mineral water plant we have. So we wanted to give very high standards of idli. So this quality of idli coming out of this is at par with any of the top class authentic idlis you can have. The size is big and the ingredients we use.
Yeah, please
I'll show you the.
I would request our camera person to please take it and show us the
You can see the idli quality rice.
This is such high quality grain. Old rice, I believe.
Old rice. And this is 1,600 rupees for 25 kgs.
Okay.
So this is high. We have got 500 rupees also rice also in the market. So this one, no, we give top class idli. And this is the steam. By the time we complete this, we take this idli and fill it up. We take this. So it is a cycle. It keeps running non-stop. So in 1 hour, we take somewhere around 7,000 idlis. And these 7,000 idlis were cooked here. It were not a single idli was distributed here. We have 24 outlets across Salem city. So our distribution network, morning, we started this by 2 a.m. in the morning, this boiler. And it stops by 9 a.m. And right from morning 2 a.m. to 9 a.m., this runs non-stop.
So the distribution begins in the morning.
Morning.
At 24 locations.
24.
We're sending idlis and sambar, and people line up.
People in every location, there were 400, 500 people line up. The idea is we had to be eco-friendly, so we used to inform everyone there, bring your own vessels.
Oh, that's actually very wonderful. I mean, I think nobody really thinks about that aspect, right?
So everybody will bring separate vessel for idli, separate vessel for sambar. So if in a family there are 6 people, they will get 30 idlis. And 30 idlis we will put sambar also, they will go home. So for 30 idlis, they are hardly spending 60, how much, 4 rupees means how many plates, 12 plates, right? 120 rupees, you get 60 idlis. Just imagine the scale. This is the economies of scale, the volumes.
And we can actually see the entire facility here. It is a state-of-the-art facility. All the equipment is really top class, great quality, and churning out a big quantity. So, sir, what I want to know from you is the whole thought behind taking Modi Idli to every household. That began around 4 years ago. So, what has been happening in the last couple of years? And I see no branding really outside. So, what is we found it a little difficult to find this location because of the poster. So, what is the thing?
Right now, we have got 2 huge boards outside. Because of the election moral code of conduct,
All right.
Salem Corporation has removed all our boards.
Okay.
Now that 19th we have got polling, coming 19th. So until that polling is over, we have got the moral code of conduct in force.
All right.
So that's why the boards have been removed.
So what's the plan? Like people like me come looking that where can we find it?
No, the thing is, you will not find our stall or whatever here anywhere.
Yes.
But any street you go, you ask Modi Idli, people will recognize.
That's how we came here actually, because we asked somebody that where can we find Modi Idli in this location, and they sent us here.
So we are in the hearts of the people.
Yes.
So early morning, the concept is, as soon as mother wakes up, she need not have to worry about cooking breakfast. She will send her child, say, go and get Modi Idli. Wait, Jeep is coming now.
Okay.
So it became a household name. That was the entire idea, is to make Modi name, brand Modi, a household name, which they will use at least once a day. So if they start using Modi's name, that is how you change minds.
So here, sir, considering this is a very noble thing also that you're doing, providing meals at such a meager, such a small prices, the BJP, as you see the elections are happening, they are trying to the party is trying to make inroads in this Dravidian heartland. And the fact that you told us this was the place where the Dravidian movement was born. So what do you see is happening? Like what do you see in the near future?
See, there is a good prospect for BJP here. It is a very fertile land. People are fed up with both these Dravidian parties. But the thing is, in Tamil Nadu, if you have to grow here, you have to grow bottom up.
Okay.
Right from the booth level. You have to get into the hearts of the people. They will watch you for 10 years. Only if you are genuine, they will switch sides.
And that is why
that is why we started this. See, every party has got association direct link with the people. Madam Jayalalitha, she started Amma Canteen.
Yes.
It was a noble venture, right? But here, similarly, every party has some connect with the people. I, being a fan of Modi, die-hard fan of Modi ji, and I wanted to establish BJP in Salem. We have taken it to every nook and corner of Salem. So this is one such effort. Like
Yes.
this, we have made many efforts.
That is, I think that is a really good thing that somebody who loves Prime Minister Modi so much and is going the extra mile to do all of this. When do you plan to, like right now I see the facility is considering the Modi Idli distribution is not happening because of the NCC and all of that. When do you plan to restart and how eagerly are people
Yeah.
waiting?
Yeah, every day I get calls. People ask me, especially housewives. This was a boon to all the housewives because they did not have to cook early, get up early in the morning
Yes.
or something like that. It was
Yeah.
a 10-minute effort. As soon as a jeep comes, they take the vessel, bring it. That was so easy for them. And the quality was also top class. What you get in 5-star hotels also, you don't get such quality. Such quality ingredients we use, such quality mineral water. When you prepare sambar and mineral water, it was totally different level of sambar. And that is why people are longing and they were asking me.
Also, Prime Minister recently mentioned in his interview to Thandi TV about Modi Idli and you in Salem. So, can you tell us how did you what is your connection with the Prime Minister really? Heart to heart connection, we understand, but he mentioning your journey. Tell me.
Basically, we are all fortunate to live in a contemporary era where our Prime Minister is delivering progress to every family and to our nation. He is uplifting our entire country as such. And I'm very fortunate. I live in an era where Modi ji is Prime Minister.
Okay.
So now, thing is, he is our representative. He is working non-stop. He has not taken a single day leave. Being his followers, it is our duty to do our bit. This is a small venture to take Modi ji, to join hands with Modi ji and help people. For me, politics is serving people. If serving people is politics, I am a politician. So my job is to serve people. My father received the Best Social Worker Award from Dr. MGR. And my family, I hail from a family of freedom fighters. So,
And I believe you were also invited to Prime Minister Modi's swearing-in ceremony. Which
Yes.
year was that?
2019,
Okay, you received an invite. How was the feeling?
it was out of the world experience. I was there looking my hero swearing in for the second time, consecutive time. And I'm so happy he will be swearing in on June 4th for the third time. It was a very good, what you can say, out of the world experience sitting in Rashtrapati Bhavan, in the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan, sitting in the third row and watching all the ministers, the memories, entire cabinet taking oath. It was a wonderful experience.
So I think he has actually been the whole emotion behind it is really I admire the fact that you have been serving this cause and everything so dedicatedly. So this was it from the Modi Idli facility. We can't wait to try the Modi Idlis, and we'll soon be back right after the elections, I believe.
Yeah, sure.
Once he restarts with the distribution, I think people like me, and there are thousands of people here who can't wait to have Modi Idli. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
joining us.
Thank you. It's wonderful
Thank you.
having you here.